Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
हेलो गाइस, अभी गवर्नमेंट ने सिविल सर्वेंट्स की सर्विसेज के लिए कुछ रिफॉर्म्स किए हैं. सो आई थॉट कि एक डिक्टेशन उस पर भी होना चाहिए. सो स्टार्ट. द गवर्नमेंट हैज़ अनाउंस्ड ए न्यू कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव सिविल सर्विसेज रिफॉर्म्स प्रोग्राम aimed at better services delivery to the public. Para. The Union Cabinet, chaired by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, today approved the new national architecture for civil services capacity building called Mission Karmayogi that aims to transform the capacity building apparatus at individual, institutional and process levels at Government of India. Para. The fundamental focus of the reform is the creation of a citizen-centric civil service capable of creating and delivering services conducive to economic growth and public welfare. Accordingly, Mission Karmayogi shifts the focus from rule-based training to role-based training. Greater thrust has been laid on behavioral change. Para. The national program for civil services capacity building has been so designed that it remains entrenched in Indian culture and sensibilities while drawing learning resources from the best institutions and practices from across the world. The program will be delivered by setting up an integrated government online training IGOT Karmayogi platform. Para. A public human resources council under the chairmanship of Prime Minister with union ministers, chief ministers, eminent HR practitioners, national and international experts would oversee the entire capacity building exercise. Para. An expert body called Capacity Building Commission will be set up to harmonize training standards, create shared faculty and resources, and have supervisory role over all central training institutions. Para. A special purpose vehicle SPV will be set up as Section 8 not for profit company which will own and manage the IGOT Karmayogi platform. The SPV will own all intellectual property rights on behalf of the Government of India. Para. An appropriate monitoring and evaluation framework will also be put in place for performance evaluation of all users of the IGOT Karmayogi platform so as to generate a dashboard view of key performance indicators. Para. The IGOT model was tried successfully during COVID situation for training health professionals. More than 12.73 lakh health workers completed 17.66 lakh courses of varied durations within a span of 3 months. Para. IGOT Karmayogi platform is expected to evolve into a vibrant and world-class marketplace for content where carefully curated and weighted digital e-learning material will be made available. Besides capacity building, service matters like confirmation after probation period, deployment, work assignment, and notification of vacancies, etc., would eventually be integrated with the proposed competency framework. Para. To cover around 46 lakh central employees, a sum of rupees 510.86 crores will be spent over a period of 5 years from 2021 to 24-25. Mission Karmayogi aims to prepare the Indian civil servant for the future by making him more creative, constructive, and citizen friendly.